Hi, I'm Joe, and this is my safe-inspired lockbox puzzle. So, as you can see, the leftmost drawer is locked, whereas the right drawer is open and contains a set of keys, which we can use to apply power to the unit through this key switch up the top here. So the locking mechanism on the box is an abstraction of cracking a safe, where you turn the dial to a certain point, feel a vibration, and keep turning until you find the satisfactory biting point of the lock, as you can see in the motors dancing on the inside of the unit here. Then you simply repeat the process, alternating between a clockwise and counterclockwise rotation of the dial. Each of the imaginary locks has a biting point which is more narrow than the previous window, adding a layer of challenge to the puzzle. Ultimately, once all four of the digital locks have been solved, the actual mechanical solenoid lock inside the unit will be released, allowing you access to the drawer below, in which you can hide whichever marvellous treasures you choose. Turning the key switch back to the off position will re-engage the solenoid lock, which means whenever the drawer is closed, it will once again be impossible to open without first completing the puzzles. If we go ahead and open the lid of the box, you can see all the circuitry inside, to which we have the lock switch, the green LED to indicate power, an OLED display to give all the information about where the lock positions, rotary encoder, solenoid lock itself, breadboard and breadboard power supply, an Arduino Uno, which is doing all the heavy lifting in this project, two vibration motors I took from Xbox 360 controllers, and finally, there is a 12-volt power supply somewhere off in the distance. And of course, let us not forget the fail states that the puzzle can be put into. If you are completing a puzzle, or rather you have just completed a lock, and you carry on turning the dial in the same direction, the locks will reset no matter what position of the puzzle you're in. Conversely, if you overshoot the biting point of the current lock you are on going past its check window, you will also reset the entire puzzle. Well, there you have it. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and feel free to join me at josephstrack.com for more nonsense like this.